So one short statement. We
Yes,
had
I
a
want to say something
Paralympic
for
village.
him. When I
Okay.
started to do ski, I saw him to do big jumps for the Winter
X Games.
X Games. I say, wow, he's crazy. And after 1-2 years, I met him in Holland. And I speak to him and I was very proud because I met him.
You have to pronunciate your name right for me so I can say it right.
Okay, it's JFK Kluster.
Now your name.
Makis
I'm
Kalaras.
KJ.
KJ.
And yours?
Makis.
Mikey's?
Makis, yes.
Mikey's, okay.
Yes.
Mikis. Okay.
Then one day in Pitstall, we do together training, Jay and slalom.
Okay.
Yes.
So Makis and
KJ.
KJ. So KJ, what's your impression about the Sochi Paralympics? How do you feel?
I think it's a good competition again, and it's a strong field, many nations, and even Greece is represented by Mikey's, and I think it's very nice to see all these athletes together and compete and being broadcasted worldwide.
That's very good. What do you have to say about Makis Kalaras, the Greek competitor? Have you seen him racing?
I
What
see
do you
him
think?
racing, and
He's
I think no, I'm not laughing at you. And yeah, I think with the conditions he has in Greece, he's a good skier and he can improve. And I hope to see him in the top 10 in the future.
Wish. Thank you very much.
Makis, what do
make
you have
Greece
to say?
bright.
I know he wanna be the gold. I saw him. I know
So,
him.
We wish you good
He
luck then.
do jumps, do turning, nice car.
Do everything. So
see
good
you.
luck.
Thank you, Jake.
Thank you.